Welcome to this guided Vipassana meditation. Vipassana means to see things as they truly are. It's an ancient technique that helps us cultivate mindfulness, inner peace, and clarity. Let's embark on this journey together. First of all, find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or directly on the floor, whatever feels best for you. Keep your neck straight but not stiff, and gently rest your hands on your knees or lap. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Start by becoming aware of your body. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the weight of your body against the seat, and the natural rhythm of your breath. Take a moment to let go of any tension. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, and loosen your neck. If thoughts are swirling in your mind, it's okay. Acknowledge them, but don't engage. Let them drift away like leaves floating on a stream. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath. Breathe naturally. Don't try to control it. Simply observe the inhale and exhale. Notice where you feel your breath the most. Is it at the nostrils, the chest, or perhaps the belly? Focus on that sensation. If your mind wanders, don't worry. It's perfectly natural. Just bring your attention back to your breath. Each time you return, you are training your mind to be present. Now, let's expand your awareness. Slowly scan your body from head to toe. Start at the top of your head. What do you feel? Warmth, coolness, tingling, or maybe nothing at all. Whatever it is, just observe without judgment. Move down to your forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Take your time. Notice the sensations as you move to your neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. Continue scanning down your chest, belly, hips, thighs, knees, calves, and finally your feet. If you encounter any areas of discomfort or tension, simply observe them. Don't resist. Just breathe into that space and let it be. As you sit here, thoughts or emotions may arise. That's completely normal. Rather than pushing them away, observe them like a curious observer. Notice, are these thoughts and emotions positive, negative, or neutral? Are they fleeting or persistent? Whatever they are, don't cling to them or try to change them. Simply watch them come and go like clouds passing through the sky. Now gently return your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Feel the simplicity of this moment, the gentle rhythm of your breath, the stillness of your body, and the calmness of your mind. You are here. You are present. You are enough. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when it feels right, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of mindfulness and peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on this beautiful, peaceful journey. Remember, this practice is always here for you whenever you need it. Have a beautiful day.